Now let's move to that trial at The Hague. In the International Criminal Court, judges may have handed President Uhuru Kenyatta a temporary reprieve to concentrate on dispensing his constitutional mandate. But the president appears keen to stop his case altogether by way of case dismissal. Uhuru has made several applications before the War Crimes Court that gives a pointer of a president preaching commitment, but employing underhand tactics to forestall his appearance at the court. Samagina reports.
It may be a round one win for President Uhuru Kenyatta against the ICC following the ICC judge's decision to excuse the president from continuous appearance before the court. The president has been on an offensive to forestall being tried at a foreign court. Experts say the excusal decision might be a double-edged sword.
It may have favored Uhuru Kenyatta in a limited sense, because other than being in court for the entirety of the proceedings, he will now have more time to deal with his constitutional obligations in the country.
The judges in their decision excused President Uhuru Kenyatta from all trial sessions, save for crucial sessions where he will be required to appear. Failure to which the judges warned of wavering their decision or sanction for an arrest warrant. But on his ceaseless affront on the court, the president made another application to attend his trial through a video link, an application that is still pending.
When you look at it from that angle, the second option or the second application is more weighty and more favorable to him. So I think while we look at it as a reprieve to Uhuru Kenyatta, but to the full extent, it is not really what he may have desired.
The decision to excuse the president from all trial sessions comes hot on the heels of Africa Union resolution to jolt Uhuru from attending his trial until the United Nations Security Council grants a year deferral to the Kenyan cases. On his multi-pronged approach not to set foot as president in the War Crimes Court, the president has filed for the dismissal of his case alleging prosecution tampering with witnesses to implicate him.
The now situation may come in and it may actually be a temporary reprieve to both the president and his deputy. But when you project it now into the future, I think it is a little bit risky, both to their presidential bid in future and also to the harmony within the country.
The judges nonetheless asked President Uhuru Kenyatta to desist from using the title His Excellency while making his applications before the court. Uhuru's status changed since being elected president.
The minute that he was elected into office, they stopped being personal problems, they first became national problems, and eventually regional problems.
To me, that is a silent way of telling His Excellency the President that by your use of titles, you're trying to intimidate both the prosecution and the court. Please stop using these titles. Maybe silently the court is also intimidated.
A dilemma, however, looms given the prosecution appealed against the judge's decision excusing Deputy President William Ruto from attending all court sessions. Samagina, KTN.